Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Silverado, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your display. So once your vehicle's on and all this is loaded, and this is a factory display, so if you have something else, it might be aftermarket. You have some different buttons to click. But from your home here, you'll scroll to settings and push enter. And then from here, you'll scroll till you get to this return to factory settings, push enter with the menu, and then if you need to go back at all, you can go back here, and then you can clear out your data here. So let's say there, I don't want to actually fully reset this particular vehicle, but from here you would push this to confirm, and then say we made about 30 seconds or so as it fully resets all of this. But that's it. That's the whole process. Hope it was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day. Back to the home here. That's it.